Alright, so we're going to do a part 2 of the Civic build, fix it up, clean up, whatever. Stance build, I don't know. Whatever we're doing with it. Part 2. I did find my buddy's got a set of tires for it that we're going to pull off and put on this car. So right now I've just been filling these when I'm driving it. But I got some other small stuff to fix and clean it up, wash it up today. And we'll go from there. But one of the things we're fixing is this stupid broken hood latch thing with this garbage on there. So I ordered a new part. Ordered a new part off Amazon. It was like $3-4 maybe. So all I have to do is try and pop this out. There, just like that. And put the new one in. There, it was literally that easy. That pisses me off that it was broke for so long. I hate when people do this. It's so much easier just to buy the right thing than to cobble together stuff. Part's $4 for a little plastic piece. We're gonna use wire instead. So, there, garbage. So we got that fixed. For now, I need to get a set of wheels and tires for it because the tires are flat spotted, and it's very obvious when you're going like 50 miles an hour. You can feel the flat spots in them. So, gonna try and get a set of aftermarket wheels and tires, and look at daily. You gotta redo the tint, so maybe we'll look at that today. Try and peel that back tint off because that's trash. Other than that, we're gonna clean it up, and it should be, hopefully pretty soon, daily driving. Alright, I'll catch up with you. Alright, so I'm taking the Civic to go get plates, and we're doing about 65, and it gets a real bad shake. I don't know if it's the tires or something's loose, but it's really, I don't know if you can see it, it's shaking pretty bad. So we're going to have to do some front end work to it, figure out why it's doing that. Could just be tires. The tires are terrible in this car. So it's something we're going to have to address. But as far as the gears and the motor, it runs really smooth. But something in the front end is just shaking the shit out of it. But just wanted to give a little video. Put this in the start of the next video, because we're going to start repairing everything we can on this. So I'll catch up with you later. Alright. So we're going to wash up this Civic, see how it cleans up. You can see front bumper, it's pretty filthy. Wheels, pretty filthy. Windows, roof. This side's okay, wheel dirty. This side's really filthy. That's where it's sitting in the mud. Front end dirty. We're just gonna start, see how it comes out. There we go. $5 at the car wash. And this thing looks brand new. It really cleaned up nice. I'll pull it out in the sun, we'll take a better look at it. But I'm thrilled. All that green stuff came off. You see the sticker's gone. But wheels cleaned up nice. Thing looks excellent. Headlights cleaned up pretty good. Bumper cleaned up a lot. You see it's chipped and stuff, but I think it looks great. So let me pull it out. We'll jump to the next clip. Take a better look at it. Alright, so you can see it in the daylight now. It cleaned up really well. Just found out the wipers are completely rotted and destroyed. So that's going to be one of the next things that get done. They left all this shit everywhere. So we'll get that fixed. But this side of the car looks brand new. You remember all that mold and stuff that was growing there? And actually I missed a spot. Missed some right there. And this whole backside was moldy. So I'm very happy for $5 at the car wash. Paint chip. Those are paint chips. Cleaned up really nice though. Alright, that's all I got for you right now. I'll jump to something else later. Thanks. Alright, getting tires for the Civic. This is my buddy Frank's old car. This car is going to scrap, but he's got brand new tires on it. So we're gonna pull those tires off, put those tires on the Civic. Okay, so here's the plan. This car is going to scrap today. So we gotta take the tires, start this car, take the tires to the tire shop, the tile shop. Swap this, take the Civic there, swap the rims off the Civic. We'll be good to go. 4 brand new tires, $250, and a set of truck tires. Alright, track tile shop. These are the old Mazda rims, tires coming off. Kyle's doing great work. Now we're putting them on the Civic. Got that going up. Gotta zip off the wheel locks. We'll be good to go. Okay, so we got the Honda wheels off. One of them's kind of bent, kind of fucked up. Oh, it's the one he's working on over there. A little rusty. Okay, so we got the Civic all the way up on the lift. Fucking shop policies are bullshit. Can't leave beer on the tire machine. Alright, fine. So we got it all the way up. Look at how clean underneath is. There's no rust. Everything looks solid. A little bit of surface on the muffler. One little pinhole. You can't even see that right there. But other than that, how the rockers look? The rockers look okay. Rockers look solid as fuck. Cat's still in it. I don't see any problems with this. I don't see any leaks. Do you see any leaks? Some rust on the rotors from sitting.
The cradle's solid.
Cradle's solid. Oh my god, this is a solid car. Putting the rims on. Putting the junk rims back on that car. This bumper's kind of Mickey Mouse. Yeah, it's just hard to find one painted. I gotta wait to see if I can get one painted. from a pull apart or something.
Match every other.
You're not the only person that said that, but I do like the blue.
Yeah, but we can match later.
Hey, maybe black and blue, and then, you know.
Have the Civic you see on the road like that.
Okay, so we're putting the new tires back on. Went and got new lug nuts. So I don't have to deal with those wheel locks anymore. Because they're junk. So I'll stick these ones on. Be good to go. Look at that. Just like new.
Just like you know.
All done.
Sponsored by Asia.
Sponsored by Frank and Kyle. Thanks, boys. Alright, so we got the tires on. Brand new tires. Was able to get them for a full set of tires for this and a full set of wheels and tires for my truck for $300. Thanks to good buddy Frank. Thanks to good buddy Kyle and his dad for letting us use the shop to put the tires on. So yeah, we're gonna head back to the house. Got other stuff to do, but so far everything looked good underneath. Car looks good and safe, and another update coming soon. Thanks.